Front brake or rear brake? Which one actually stops your bike faster? Front brake is controlled by the brake lever on the right hand side of a handle. The rear brake is controlled by the foot pedal. When you apply brakes, the bike's weight shifts forward. Because of that weight transfer, the front brake usually provides more stopping power. The rear brake helps with stability and balance, especially at low speeds, in traffic, or while making slow turns. For smooth and safe braking, it's best to use both brakes together, progressively, not suddenly. Front for power, rear for stability. Use them progressively for controlled stopping. Ride smart.